AppSheet Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the AppSheet Mobile App Development Platform Review. In this video, we'll explore how AppSheet empowers users to create powerful mobile applications without needing any coding experience. Links to the products discussed are in the description below. AppSheet is a no-code app development platform that allows you to design, customize, and deploy apps quickly and easily. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, it's ideal for individuals and businesses who need custom applications but lack the technical resources for traditional app development. Whether you're in real estate, education, healthcare, or any other industry, AppSheet can help streamline your processes, automate workflows, and integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. One of the standout features of AppSheet is its data integration capabilities. It can connect to various data sources, including Google Sheets, Excel, SQL databases, and more, making it incredibly flexible for different workflows. It also supports real-time data updates, allowing teams to collaborate effortlessly and access the most up-to-date information. Another strong point is the platform's scalability. Whether you're creating a simple app for personal use or building a complex enterprise-level solution, AppSheet provides the necessary tools to adapt. You can create apps for both Android and iOS with no extra cost for deploying on either platform. The automation feature is also worth noting. You can set triggers and actions, meaning you can automate tasks such as sending notifications or updating records without manual intervention, saving significant time. AppSheet also provides a robust suite of security and permission controls to ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive data. Plus, it includes features like offline access, making your apps functional even when connectivity is an issue. To sum up, AppSheet is a highly versatile tool for businesses looking to streamline their operations and create customized apps quickly. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, its no-code approach, robust features, and scalability make it a strong contender in the app development space. If you're ready to start building, check the links in the description for more details.